Being a mother is not easy. You working and staying alone is another thing, my people. Hello, good day, everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making churros. Okay, guys. Now, waiting we want make today, my people. Now, be down. This churros is very crunchy and sweetable. Okay, guys. So my people, I dey work, I dey reason, they calculate, they meditate, waiting my children want eat if I reach house. Now so I reach house, so I carry them come back from school. They ask them one after the other, waiting una want eat. You know now if you be mother, especially you don't know what you want cook, and you can't see tired join her. Then you go, they be like say, children, what are you guys going to eat today? Everybody call they talk different kind of thing. Now waiting happen to me on this date, now be this one, my people. So as we come back at the reason, say, okay, wait till now want eat. I call, they ask. That they talk different kind of thing. I was like, guys, please, I'm tired. You people can just come up with one thing. They will make it, everybody eat and go to bed. Now they tell me say na churros, now they want it. My people, you can imagine. I bet Mona ask me where therefore they eat churros as dinner. I never hear them. I don't know, but it they happen for my house. Anyway, share my people. Now, so I carry myself, can't go inside my kitchen, can't start to they make these churros. In the beginning, you go see me say, I put water for my pot. They can't add that 2 tablespoons of sugar, then a half tablespoon of salt. And I be waiting on see. Then I can't put on my butter, then add on my flour. They can't start to the turn. When I don't start to the turn, I turn off my gas. Okay, my people. So now waiting happen be that one. Now be that. So after that one, now we come here. I can't break on 2 eggs. You see the video already. So no need for me to explain, guys. So guys, this one are the churros. Una know wetin my children do me. After they don't make me enter kitchen, make these churros for them. When they don't finish it and they were like, Mommy, what are we eating this evening? My people, I want run mad. I want run mad. I was like, you people asked me to do this churros. This is what you guys want to eat this evening. After I don't make me suffer myself, do this churros. Then now they ask me wetin I want eat. Mothers are beg. How una take dey do am? Because una get don't tire. Una get is tiring on my people. How you guys cope, especially single mothers where it be say now only una dey stay, una partner not they stay where una dey. I beg my people. How are you guys coping? Because this thing is not easy. Not be small picking job, my people. Not be my guys. I'm telling you. If you guys know what people are passing through, especially single parents, more, it's not easy. So my people, this is the end of the video. If you never follow this page, I wait till you they wait for no now. Click that button, follow this page as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my amazing returning followers, I say may God bless you all as una take the support una get. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Florence Basic Hair TV. God bless you all as you watch. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.